Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. I'm super excited to pick you guys to this wonderful boom and crash strategy. This strategy is one of the best strategy, and you can see this is not a joke strategy. It's one of the crazy strategy you can be using to trade boom and crash. This strategy I'm already making is $70,000 profit, and I'm expecting to close my trade when it reach $40,000 profit, which you are seeing right here, reaching $40,000 profit. And you can see I'm expecting to close my trade, or either I reach my TP or I close at 40,000. That's my target for this strategy. This is your boy Deriv channel, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification so that I put a strategy, you guys should be aware. So guys, with that being said, now I want to give you guys a tips, which means that we do something with offer account management. So you can contact us for account management, and we are going to manage your accounts for you. The number you are going to contact us on is right at the screen, so just contact us on WhatsApp with this number. And then if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can tell our Telegram channel for free signals. We do something, we offer free signals, so you can tell our Telegram channel for free signals. So with that being said, let's dive into this strategy, guys. Let's dive into this strategy. So I took the trade on Crash 500 Crash TDL. So this strategy is both using for if you want to go for a buy or if you want to go for a sell, and this strategy is used on uh is used on both the boom and the crash. Now I'll be showing you guys the setup for this strategy, because in today's video we are going to be talking about the setup for this strategy. So the setup of the indicator of this strategy and all the confluence, the confirmation you need to see before taking any entries with this strategy. And also I'm going to give you guys where you are going to enter for your buy or sell trades, and I'm also going to show you guys where you are going to exit your trades. So that this is what we'll be talking about in today, and I'm also going to give you guys your stop targets, where you are going to put your stop. Okay, so in case the market going against you. So now the first thing is the setup for this strategy. Now I'll be showing you guys the setup for this strategy. So all you need to do is just go to this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you get there, all you have to do is this is the indicator we're going to be using for this strategy. This is the indicator we're going to be using for this strategy. So I'm going to be delete everything up now, so we can start from scratch. I've already deleted this strategy, the indicator now. So now we'll be adding this indicator up one by one. So now just go to this icon right here on the F plus. First add your moving average. So the moving average parameter is going to be 14. So we are going to be using 14 moving average. The shift 0, the period is 14, shift 0. The method is going to be exponential, apply to close, and we are going to be using the green one. So the green color, you can just go any color of your choice. Now once you set that up, the next thing you are going to do is just go to the F plus once again and add your stochastic oscillator up. So when you add your stochastic oscillator up, this is parameter for the stochastic oscillator. The K period is 3, the D period is 1, slowing is 1, the price field is low and high. The method is simple, you don't need the style. So this is the levels. You just need the 10 and the 90 levels, 12 and the 88 levels. So you can choose any color you want for your levels. So when you set everything up, then click on done, and you have your stochastic oscillator. Now the next indicator we are going to be adding is also going to be in the indicator window 1. So we just click on the indicator window 1 F plus. So when you click on it, then you are going to be adding your moving average again. So we are going to be adding your moving average. Now the period for this moving average is going to be 40. It's going to be 40. So we are going to be adding the 40. Sorry. So we are going to be adding the 40, and shift 0. The method is going to be linear weight, apply to close, and this type we are going to be using the gold color. So when you set everything up, then click on done. And the last indicator we are going to be adding, but not the last indicator we are going to be adding, is going to be in our indicator with the one as well. So click on the F plus, then add your moving average. So the moving average period is going to be 1. It's going to be 1, shift 0. The method is going to be exponential, apply to close, and the style is going to be 4, and I'm also going to be using the green one. So we set everything up, then click on done. and you have all your settings. You have all your settings for this strategy. Now that we have all the settings for this strategy, the next thing we want to do, is in the confirmation you need to see before using strategy to take any entries. Now for this strategy, we are going to be using a 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. Both the 30 minutes and the 15-minute time frame are useful for this strategy, but I will be using my 15-minute time frame. Now for the zoom level, just when you zoom out completely, just zoom in once, and then you are good to go. This is zoom level you need. Just zoom in once and you are good to go. So now for this for the confirmation you need for this strategy. Now this is the confirmation we need for the strategy. Now let's say you want to go for a sell now. Now based on the trade that I took here on this crash folded, you can see something right here. This is what I first see. Now you can see this is your spike, a metal spike that close below the moving average, and before I didn't take that entries. I also see a confirmation here in the indicator window one, which is touching the 90 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and you can see what the moving average was crossing above the moving average, as well, crossing above the green moving average, the gold one crossing above the green one. So when this crosses happens and they are all in the 90 levels, I wait. What am I waiting for? I wait for this for the candle to move back to this moving average. When the candle is touching the moving average, then that is when you are going to go for your sell trade. That is when you are going to get for your sell trade. You need to wait for the spike to go back to that for a candle to go back to that moving average. When it touches, then you are going to go for a sell. You can see as simple as that, and it's a snapper entry. It's a snapper entry which you are seeing right here. So that is where I took this trade. That's where I took this trade, and this is where I took this trade. You can see it's a snapper entry. I have no drawdown with this strategy. I had no drawdown. So that is that about the buy. Now for a sell trade, now for a sell for a buy, I mean, that is for a sell. Now for a buy trade, now this is what you need. You need to make sure that you see a candle closing above the moving average. When a candle closing above the moving average, now this what now you know that this is a bias trade, which means an uptrend. So you don't need to wait for a candle to close like a sell, for a candle to come back to the moving average. All you need to see, you have to wait for a candle to close above the moving average. When you see this is the candle that close above the moving average, and you have to see that the uh the green and the gold line crossing above each other, which means that the green need to touch it, which means the green need to touch 10 levels, and also the gold line need to touch 10 level, and they have to a crossover must happen. If you are seeing right, a crossover must happen. So when that crossover happens, then that's when you are going to go for your trade. That's where you are going to go for your buy trade. Okay, so that is that on that for a buy and sell. That is how you guys can make sure of this strategy. Now for your entries, you are going to enter for a buy. You're going to enter when a candle closes. That's when you're going to go for your buy. And for a sell, you have to wait for a candle to move back. When a spike closing below the moving average, you have to wait for a candle to move back to the moving average. That's when you're going to go for your. That's when you're going to enter, and then you set your stop above this area right here, above the last spike, and for a buy trade, you're going to set your stop below the last spike, which is around here or something, or below this area right here. So that is for a clear sell, or you can set it for a sell right here. You can set it around this area as well. So that is that on that. So for your TP now, you are expecting to take your TP right at the next resistance area, which means right at the next area right here, or you wait for a candle to close below the moving average. So that is when you are going to go for your sell. Okay, that's when you are going to go for your sell. So that's why you are going to go for your TP. So now for a sell as well, I'm expecting to take my TP around this area right here. Around this area right here. That's where I'm going to take my TP. So that is that for your sell and for your buy trade, and that's for confirmation, the setup, and the entries, edit, and the stop. That's that on that. Now for boom, same thing applies for boom trade as well. Same thing about apply for boom trade. All you have to do is just to make sure you master this trade, make use of this strategy, and then we start making money. So with that being said, if you love this type content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notification. Get a polling strategy. You guys will be aware. You can see this is not a joke strategy. I've already run into $70,000 profit. I'm expected to close my trade when it's 35,000 or 40,000. That's when I'm expecting to close my trade, or it's reached my TP. So I love this strategy, and it's one of the crazy strategies you can be using to make money trading market crash. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to contact us for an account management. We do something, we offer account management, and we are going to manage your accounts for you. So, and you can also join my Telegram channel for free signals. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.